Hello, good morning students. How are you all? I hope you all are keeping fine. So students, today we will start our language chapter 5 tenses. In today's class, we will learn about tenses. This is the very important topic. In this class, we will learn about the definition of tenses, classification of tenses, types of tenses and examples. So, before we go through the lesson, first we will know what is the definition of tense. Tense is a form of verb that indicates the time or a state of an action and event. Tense is a category that expresses time references. Tenses are shown by using different form of verbs. The word tense comes from the Latin word tempus. So, here we came to know about the definition of tense. And further we will see the classification of tense. Tenses are further classified into 4 categories on the basis of state action. First one is simple tense, second one is continuous tense, third one is perfect tense, fourth one is perfect continuous tense. Again, there are 4 types of tenses. First one, present tense. Here the verb refers to present time, which means the action which I do regularly at the present time. For example, we can say I write the letter, means I do the writing of letter every day. Second one, past tense. Here verb refers to past time. For example, I wrote the letter. Here already I have finished the writing letter just now. Third one is future tense. In future tense, the verb refers to future time. Example, I shall write letter, which means I will be writing letter, but time is not shown. So students, we will now start our lesson. All of you take out your book, chapter 5, tenses. Use words from the box to complete these sentences. Here the options are given in the box. We have to choose the correct word and to complete the sentence. Arman is playing the violin. Naina is holding her favorite doll. Zaid and Arjun are performing. Rohan is kicking the ball. Grandma is drinking tea. Verbs shows action. The form of the verb also tells us the time of the action. This is called the tense. Tense of the verb. Tense refers to time and action can happen in the present, which means now, past, which means already earlier it has finished, and future means sometimes later. Okay, so here already one table is given about different tense. First one, present tense, first tense and future tense. All of you read this table. Examples are here. Ankita is here today. Sorry, Ankit is here today. In past tense, Ankit was here yesterday. And in future tense, Ankit will be here tomorrow. Next one you see, Neil has a cat. Neil had a cat. Neil will have a cat. Again, another example we see. Mona sings folk songs. Mona sang folk songs. Mona will sing folk songs. I play cricket. I played cricket. I will play cricket. So these are different types of tenses. You see here, we use the simple present tense to talk about fact, means which will be happening, which happens at the present time. The earth revolves around the sun, means it happens daily. Earth revolves every day around the sun. Now again, about the habits and general truth. To speak about the habits and general truth, we use simple present tense. Cows eat grass. Here already cow eat grass. I write in my diary every night, means every night I write my diary. Next we see the present situation. To speak about present situation, we use the present tense, simple present tense. Sanya lives in Mumbai. I know the answer. Pia and Amit look happy. Lima has fever. It is very hot today. So students, exercise A we will do in next class. Thank you.